Look at that handbag from Gucci. Gorgeous, isn't it? Too bad it's fake. While some counterfeit products are easy to catch, some can fool even the smartest of shoppers. Our client, a reseller of fashion merchandise, wanted to be the most authentic source of designer handbags. They even employed a team of experts to help them identify handbags and detect counterfeits. But it was a lot of manual effort. In order to automate the entire process, they approached us, and we were ready for the challenge. We trained a deep neural network which could identify the handbag's brand and model from a user-uploaded picture of the bag. We also built a hardware and software solution that analyzed the fabric of the handbag and flagged counterfeit handbags. Our identification solution significantly reduced human error, and our proof of concept for counterfeit detection detected fake products with almost 100% accuracy. The client has now become a trustworthy name in the designer handbag reseller business, without hiring a large team of experts. A cool collaboration of AI and high fashion. Glad we could help.